Today I am doing a makeup tutorial in 4 minutes. And no, I did not actually do this in 4 minutes. The video is just sped up. But I'm just trying not to waste too much of your time, okay? So I'm starting with concealer. I'm starting with 2 concealers actually, because color matching is an art that I have not mastered, and neither has the girl at Sephora. She gave me one that was orange, and then I went back a month later and she gave me one that was like completely white. So I put them together and it almost matches my skin. I think by the end of the tutorial, it will match my skin. Like, it'll look like it's my skin. It'll look good. Eyebrows is next. This is the one department that, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit blessed in. We all have that one feature where it's like, all right, thanks genetics. Actually leads me into what I was not super blessed in, which is that like sculpted face. So we're gonna add some contour to fake some dimensions. It's all about smoke and mirrors, baby. I'm still sort of learning the cream contour thing. I have noticed that it helps a lot when taking photos to have cream contour on. It just really adds like a sculpted look. Set the concealer with some powder just in the spots that I concealed, not the whole face. Still want to look like a human, not a powdered donut. I always say I'm not going to go heavy on the bronzer, and then I just sort of put it everywhere. Blending it out. See? Nice and bronzy. And putting on more. Oh my gosh, I put on so much bronzer. Okay, so blush time. I love blush. I'm putting it on my cheeks, my nose, just again, sort of everywhere to add some color to my skin. Now the eyes, nothing fancy here, just sweeping some bronzer into the crease to fake depth again. I always add a wing with brown eyeshadow because I want my eyes to look a little bit bigger and more open. I'm going to separate my lashes and then use a lash curler. And now it's time for mascara. This one is by Better London. It is my favorite mascara right now. And yep, immediately mess up. How did I get it there? Like, how did I get it on almost my cheek? All right, that's fine. And look, I told you, see the skin, the face, the orange concealer, the heavy bronzer, it's like all coming together. It's all looking like it's supposed to be there. I'm gonna use my fingers to just smudge that into my skin. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna use some concealer to cover it up. We're moving on to highlight. I'm going to put it on my cheekbones, brow bone, cupid's bow, inner corners, just anywhere the light is going to hit. For the lips, some chapstick, plumping lip gloss. Letting the hair out. Ah, we made it. We made it. Okay, and watch this. I'm about to hit my thumbnail right now. Boom. There it is. Okay, hope you enjoyed. XO, love you.